It's morning here, so today I'm going to make another soap. I'm just making liquid soap. We've been out of liquid soap for a while, and I bought, but I don't want to buy it again after the one I bought finishes. And the reason I'm making it also is because I think we're starting to begin to feel the pressure that baby will come soon. So today Chris just woke up and he's been crazy, purging the clinic, taking out stuff, washing and all that. So I said, okay, let me make soap as well. You know that then where your husband starts cleaning and you feel like you have to do something. I'm kidding, I wanted to do the soap. So I said, okay, let me make soap. So I'm going to do liquid soap, and then when I'm done, I have to go continue Isabel's playroom. I don't know if I've mentioned it, but I'm creating a playroom for her, specifically for just play. So far, she's just been taking over our living room with her toys and everything, and we've just been allowing her because we've not really created a space. And she just wants to be where we are, but we want to try the playroom and see how it goes. So I'm going to show you that as well. And we're doing all this because of lessons we learned from her. When Isabel came, we were pretty out of it, like baby blues and all that, and I think it was partly because we were not prepared. So we are just really like, with this baby, we don't want to wait till the end and start doing things. So yeah, this liquid soap is going to be really simple because it's just for cleaning. It might be a little bit drying, especially for the hands, because it's just coconut oil, but it's really going to be bubbly with a lot of foam and clean very well, especially for greasy stuff. So it's just coconut oil, lye, and for liquid soap, remember you use caustic potash, not caustic soda. So I'm using glycerine instead of oil, instead of water, because I want it to be fast. You can mix your lye with water, but I want to mix with glycerine because I want it to be fast. And that's it. I'm just going to enter the amount of the coconut oil in my lye calculator, and then know how much lye I have to use. There are lots of free lye calculator on the internet. The one I use is the Sage lye calculator. I think that's the one I use. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to show you. It's really simple. Just mixing oils and the lye solution. That's all. Liquid soap. So I'll show you. It's going to bubble. Go back.